Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Apple Watch without iPhone, pro tips step by step clearly. To use your Apple Watch without an iPhone, you first need to ensure your watch is set up independently. Start by turning on your Apple Watch by pressing and holding the side button. Next, select your preferred language on the screen. Then, choose the option to set up your Apple Watch as a new device. Follow the on-screen prompts to pair and set up your Apple Watch. If you have an internet connection, select Wi-Fi to connect your watch to the internet. Sign in to your Apple ID or create a new one if needed. Once you are logged in, explore the settings to customize features such as health tracking and notifications. Activate the cellular feature if your Apple Watch model supports it. This allows you to make calls and send texts without needing your iPhone nearby. Make sure to configure your health and fitness settings to track your activities effectively. You can also download apps directly on your Apple Watch through the App Store. Remember to sync your playlists from Apple Music if you want to listen to music without your iPhone. Check for software updates regularly to ensure your Apple Watch is running the latest version. Use the built-in GPS features for outdoor activities by simply opening the Workout app. Set up your Apple Wallet for payments directly from your watch for convenience. In case you need to adjust notifications, navigate to the Settings menu. Customize which app notifications you want to receive on your watch, independent from your iPhone. Finally, explore various watch faces and complications that suit your style and needs. By following these steps, you can enjoy the full functionality of your Apple Watch without relying on an iPhone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any request. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.